Realme launched its new affordable 5G phone under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo 80 Lite. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The new Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G sports a 32-megapixel main camera, with GC32E2 sensor, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. At the front it has 8-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, based on Realme UI 6.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.22 by 7.94 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 10,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 23rd, in crystal purple and onyx black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 80 Lite 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.